The other political parties, they'll have to rethink. Congress needs a able and strong leadership in the state, which is absent now with due respect to the present incumbent. And therefore, because there are people, because what was the vote share of the VPP? You must see. That means there are other people who still want a political party, but they want a political party which is stable. Now, BJP doesn't have any say in Kasi Jaintia, so let's not say that they are irrelevant, because they don't want them. They know it. They're trying from the last 20 years and they can't get any members to the assembly except 2. And in the district council, forget it, they're all tribals voting, so they'll not get any. But the Congress, the UDP, they need strong leadership. And I can speak for the Congress because I was a congressman for 30 years. So there is no threat. But you cannot be complacent. And so, because Congress has a base, people love the Congress. No. People love the leaders of the Congress who are good and honest and who can bring a change, then they love the Congress. So there's a combination of both. So I don't think it's a threat. But at the same time, you need to work hard. And so does the VPP if they want to maintain their popularity in the state vis-a-vis the district council or the state assembly elections. They'll have to work hard for it.